uh, replace of actually n is a will compare n is a, either n is a or not, n is not a, because it's totally different operator. For example, it compares n with a. For example, a is I love Python, but it's not I love Python. But membership is little bit different. For example, n in a. For example, let's check it. It will appear as true. For example, but if we run like n in no, w in a, in our a I love Python we don't have any kind of letter called w. Yeah, I love Python does not exist w. Yeah, it's so cool. Next, membership run slides is clear. Number, with number we can, for example, number it's called, it can be integer, it can be float, and regarding that we have two data types, integer data type and float data type. For example, C is 10, yeah, with C is 10, D is 12. You can make a lot of operator. All the computational operators we can do. For example, A plus B, no, sorry, C plus D, C minus D, C multiply D, and C divide D. What we are doing, we can call each, or we can also know their data types. Type C, it will be integer. Yeah, and there is a lot of other functionalities there. For example, we can compare C and D. We should for that we should import the maths library. Yeah, after having the function topic, we will come on these topics. Yeah, because this is inside the CMP library. CMP is inside the maths library, and the academy we will do. Yeah, for now it's, for example, also we can come like that. C D, it will show the power on that level, tens, 12 powers, like that. Tens, it's like that. Yeah, so a big number it will come. Yeah. Okay, at the same time, let me introduce with you is float. Also, float is the same, almost same, but it's that, for example, the f is equal to 5.5. If I want to know the data type of f, it will show me float. Yeah, actually the whatever operations can be done, it can be operate with float also. Before the problem was, now Python updated. For example, when we divide two number, if the both of them were integers, it would have shown us only 0, or that rounding 1. It wouldn't have shown us kind of float number, but now it have been integrated. Maybe soon, after 2-3 version, that float data type may not be so active, or how I can say, so important. It may be it may not need any kind of declaration. Yeah, so okay, float, whatever for operations we can do is use float, we can work the same level. And the last topic we have, it's boolean. Boolean is true and false. On logical operators topic we will discuss, for example, we will deeply discuss about them, for example, because it's very essential topic. For example, all this comparison, all this logical decisions, everything made with float data type. That's why it's called true and false. For example, false is accepted as a, for example, in programming we call 1 and 0. 1 is means true, 0 means false. Okay, thank you for your attention, guys. Have a nice days. See you on next week, guys.